I am showing the page and where I will upload my product video. Return to my admin page and write file in the search bar. As soon as you write, the file option will come and click there. I have already uploaded my video there. I am deleting it and uploading it again for your convenience. The video is now uploaded. Please wait for some time and video upload complete. I am copying the video link to my notepad for my convenience. Now I go to the Shopify theme by clicking on the online store. Then I go to edit the code. After I go section and click collection template.liquid, and I am going to put HTML coding just above div class 16 column. Don't worry, I will give this code on my Facebook page. You can set the height and weight. You can set the height and width as you wish. Click the save button and go to the preview store. Now you can see what you have done. If this video is helpful for you, then